Hola, in previous video we have downloaded and installed free downloader manager and we set it as our default downloader. So let's try download something. First let's download something from YouTube. We'll go ahead and open a browser and navigate to YouTube. And for example, let me say I want to download this song. I prayed to get it here. I'm going to copy it and I'm going to go to another site, where to made.com. Just when I paste there that URL, if I want it audio, I'll click here and download it. And when I click it here and let me just click on download and right click on download. You see free download manager is there, and once you click it, it will just get that URL and save it to this directory. And let me try to save it to download, and when I click download, it will be downloaded. Here it is completely downloaded. Here you can play it. When you click to this little icon of folder in blue color, you can navigate to where that music is set. As you can see, it is already here. You can even play it. Yeah, it is here. It is already downloaded. And without that extension I have installed, you can't click here and see this icon for free downloader manager. You can't. What we done is to link app and web browser so that it can download it automatically.